Hello guys, welcome to another video from HTML series, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you list in HTML. Okay, so let's get started. Are you ready? Okay, first I have to write HTML, and we know we have to give a title, HTML list. Okay, and let's write our code in the body. This is our body. Okay, today I'm going to show you the list in HTML. In HTML, okay, h1, let's write list in HTML. Okay, in HTML we have two types of list, and order list and unordered list. Okay, for example, we can write here like that: list of countries. Okay, list of countries. And now we can have a list here. For example, we have order list and unordered list. Order list we can write with ol tag, order list. Okay, and enter. And this is our list, order list, and open tag in the closing tag, and inside that we can write our list items, li. Okay, for example, the first country is, for example, Switzerland. Okay, and let's write another list. This is list item. Okay, we have one list, and inside the list we have list items. Okay, Switzerland, for example, Germany, and for example America, and list, and for example Iran, list China, and li Russia. So this is our list items. These are our list item, and this is our list. This is order list. Okay, and now I'm going to let's see the output, how it looks like. Okay, Control A, so I have to save that and right click, open with live server. See, list of countries. This is order list, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, this is our order list, and let's write an order list. How we can write an order list? Okay, list, for example, h1, list of for example shopping list. Okay, I'm going to go to shopping, and now I have to write a list. For example, order list and an order list. Okay, we have we have actually learned order list, how we can write, and now we can write an order list. Start with ul, an order list. Okay, and inside that we can write our list items, like an order, like order list. And there is no difference, the list item, I mean. For example, potatoes. Okay, onion, oil, and for example cucumber, and etc. This is an order list. Okay, let's see the output, how it looks like. As you can see, it doesn't have any number, you know. It is an order list, and this is order list. Thank you guys for watching. That's it. I hope you learned something from this tutorial, and if you are new here, I request you to like the video and subscribe my channel, and we will see each other in the next tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.